Good morning to all. Very good morning to all. We will be starting the program of launching the FDP scheme document within 3 minutes. Please be on. We will be starting now in 2 minutes. Please inform others who are joined the program.
Very good morning to all. Honorable Chairman, AICTE, Professor T.G. Sitharam, sir. Honorable Vice Chairman, sir. Dr. Abhay Jaira, sir. Honorable Vice Member Secretary, sir. Professor Rajiv Kumar, sir. And faculty members from various institutes and my colleague from AICTE. Very good morning to all. As you all know that today we are launching ATAL Online FDP Faculty Development Program for 25-26. We already launched ATAL Offline Faculty Development Program with 500 we sponsored, and that various faculty member applied and result in process. So evaluation is going on. So this, like last year, similar kind, we are launching this ATAL Online Faculty Development Program 25-26. Before going further, I request all dignitaries to lighting the lamp.
वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष।
कंप्लीट लगाते हो तो कंप्लीट तो होने दो।
Ashish, can you share the PPT? I will give brief idea, only 2 minutes. So we are very proud to introduce again this ATAL 6-day online faculty development program. This is demanded platform to change the way we teach and excel. And definitely last year we started with the suggestion of Honorable Chairman, and really it was, Ashish, can you go to next slide? It was really successful. We trained more than 94,000 faculty members through online faculty. That's online. Because in many FDPs, there were 700 plus faculty members who joined this faculty development. So, next slide, please. So this is our process. Today we are launching the scheme, and today onward, today evening, we will be able to faculty will be able to submit their application through portal. Then due date will be there. Some due date, let's say 1 month will be there, approximate 1 month. Then scrutiny of application. Then these are our focus area. In this all institution, all kind of, not only AICTE, we are also allowing IITs, IIMs, NITs also in this online. Last year we also allowed some IITs and some NITs FDPs were really good. I got very good feedback. This time we are also allowing. This time, similar kind of last time, we are also allowing pioneer industry and organization for online FDPs, and 500 FDPs for 6-day week, and this is 1 lakh rupee on reimbursement basis. This is not we are giving any advance. These FDPs are only on reimbursement basis. So
no utilization will be there.
No utilization. Finally, once they give their certificate,
it will help actually. Otherwise, every institute will be flagged. वो सबमिट नहीं करता है.
Utilization end of the after completion, because we are not giving any advance. Whatever they give, demand we will give. So more engagement. We are saying that evening sessions are proposed, especially Monday to Saturday. After this teaching, we are proposing at 7:30, something like that. And for this, we propose that minimum 50% industrial experts, sir. Minimum 50%, let's say 10 expert normally in FDP, 5 expert mandatory from industry, and for online, 2 overseas experts are mandatory. And institute may offer online training with collaboration of other institute, let's say IIT and something. In this, collaboration is also allowed. Next slide, Ashish. These are our key dates, sir. Today we are launching, and this will be open till June 1st. June 1st is last date for portal, and we are supposed to announce the result by 30th June. This is all about from my side. Thank you. So I request now Honorable Member Secretary, Sir, Professor Rajiv Kumar, to guide us.
Thank you, Dr. Luthra. First of all, I congratulate our Bureau for releasing this 500 online faculty development programs. It's a very popular scheme of AICTE, sir. And as per your guidance, this was revamped, and all thrust areas, major thrust areas, they have been incorporated, and faculty development programs, they are being conducted in all thrust areas by the eminent experts, those who have expertise in one way or other. In these areas, they are only conducting these faculty development programs. And also for ease of the faculty member, those who are attending this program, they are being conducted now in the evening. And I will request my bureau to be a little bit flexible. If they are not able to start on Monday, you allow them to start on Tuesday, Wednesday. So we need to be flexible.
Sure.
Our aim should be that total number of contact hours or delivery hours, they should be completed as per our norms. And apart from this, sir, we see a lot of cases from our institutions for taking extreme action by students, right? So we are also conducting faculty development programs in stress management from the organizations like Art of Living and any other organization, those who are coming forward. So we are conducting all faculty development programs, how to deal such type of situations in the institutions when you are dealing the students. So all sort of things are going on. And I request our bureau also, whenever these faculty development programs are over, immediately process their payment. There should not be any delay in processing the payment. So sometimes some time is taken by our bureaus in processing the cases, so we should minimize it.
Yes,
and I'm happy that every time you are coming out with great ideas, simplifying the procedure. So this is the learning you are using from each and every program. Again, thank you very much. Thank you.
Now, I request our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Abhay Jere, sir, to guide us and say a few words how we can promote this and how we can improvise further.
Honorable Chairman, sir, Honorable Member Secretary, sir. First, I would again, like what Rajiv sir said, I would like to congratulate Bureau for organizing this 500 online FDP programs. He has already mentioned all the good things which you are doing. I have 2 suggestions, if possible, which will help us in actually making it better. One is that when you are, because you said 50% industry experts are going to be there and 2 international experts are going to be there. What we have observed in previous online FDP programs is that many of these programs get confined to those institutions and those colleges. And there is no central repository of all these talks which are going to be there, which are online, because these are going to be online talks, so there has to be a repository of it. So if Bureau can help identify 1 or 2 lectures, first lectures for FDP, then we can have a repository of about 1,000 plus lectures which are out there. And majority of them would be on these emerging areas. We already have our AICTE YouTube channel also. So our channel itself could be a good repository rather than getting into Swayam and other things. So if you can engage with the colleges, institutions, which which will be allocated to this, and give them direction that they will help us identify 2 best sessions in their during their 5 days FDP program, then it will be of immense help, and we can actually put that entire thing on our AICTE website post validation. Some validation has to certainly happen. But if we can do that, then we will have huge repository of resources with us, and that will help us in pushing our brand as thought leaders and thinkers in a much better way. So that's one part of it. The second part is very simple. When we are looking at online FDP programs, the attention span is certainly very, very low. So how we are, whether we have put some kind of a metrics in place to look into pre-FDP and post-FDP kind of an assessment. If we can do that, again, that will be of immense help. We might not have to do it ourselves, but we can ask those colleges to come up and just submit the report of what was the pre-assessment and what was the post-assessment. So just we can get a very common report, then that will actually help us in saying that this is done. Another important aspect which I was very keen on ensuring is that, so when we are looking at some of these emerging areas, for example, I would like to end of the day really need to know that, for example, if I'm doing FDPs, 500 FDPs, out of which how many lectures were related to AI specific or industry 5.2 or man-machine interaction. When we are looking at, so that slicing and dicing and analytics on top of it, because that will help the leadership in actually going out and while they are talking that we have done so many FDPs or within the FDP so many lectures on these emerging areas. So that will help a big point because when we are looking at 500, so majority of the 500 will have these emerging areas. So when chairman or me or MS sir can say that this kind of aggressive training we have got into. So that is another important aspect which I felt if you can inbuilt in this, then it will be of immense help. So these are the 2 small suggestions I could help Bureau. But again, having said this, this is a fantastic initiative. We need to do more of such initiatives, and we need to push the boundaries. So thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
One more thing we can also add, that making 2 overseas experts compulsory. It's a little bit for all 500 programs may not be possible. So you should give some leverage to the institutions.
Make it one or 2 isolated though.
Sir, 2 lectures. Even with 1 expert, it could be 2 lectures are mandatory.
Why
Last
you
time,
are making that? No, because you are now ridiculing our people are no good.
no. Because then
See, earlier PhD thesis has to go abroad. Abhi band ho gaya. So I think we should encourage either industry or academic experts, 1 or 2. Just say very loosely.
Yes,
I completely agree with you. Let us be flexible.
Yes, I agree.
Thank you, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir, for valuable guidance and suggestions. Definitely, Bureau will take care of this and this time only. We will implement this. We will search for 2 best session in every FDP, and definitely 1,000 lectures, 1,000 good lectures on our YouTube. That will be part of. And second, definitely we will look for pre-FDP and post-FDP assessment, and we have some structure there, in which we say that core area, let's say some FDPs on AI, 60% lecture on AI, and then some lecture on NEP, then some on other social, and some other like what you say, other areas. So we are focusing the slicing part. We have structure, but we are not very rigid on that.
No, it's okay. If you're not religious, just do analytics of what
Yes,
happens
yes.
and share it with the leadership.
Yeah, definitely we will
We
do,
will
we
able
will
to
do
talk about it.
analytics this part. Now I request our honorable chairman, sir, to launch the FDP.
Yeah, remote take it.
देखो connect करने में problem
Yeah,
होता है।
yeah, yes, yeah. Okay.
But dummy है ना, ठीक है ना, कोई tension नहीं।
Start.
Start.
So dear colleagues and all the people who have assembled online, all the college representatives. So very good morning to all of you. First of all, let me congratulate ATAL, this Teaching and Learning Bureau, for organizing these ATAL online faculty development programs. Very happy to launch this online faculty development program today for the year 2025-26. About a month or 2 months back, we did that 1,000 faculty development program offline, the physical offline, which I think, he has already finalized the shortlisted and everything. I think that announcement also will go soon.
Yeah.
In a 2 days. There are good suggestions which came from both member secretary as well as vice chairman, which should be taken care in the implementation. I feel if there is such a great demand, we should even in this itself 1,000 FDPs online should be done. 1,000 you should do it. With the same advertisement, nothing is to be required. And we will anyway on 15th we have the EC. I will report this as a reporting item to EC. Okay. Because what is happening is if there is such a great demand and is a quite flexible structure and involving even international people, and you are going to record, there will be a huge impact in the society. And as you agreed, for the coming session, you are going to record special lectures and it will be a repository. But even the last time what we did, I think we should ask the colleges to submit a video, and that can go to YouTube as well, even now. Whatever comes, I know that program is over and they have already submitted UC, but still you can request them to submit their videos, the main lectures, and one team can review that.
Yes.
And if it is good, take a decision and take the approval and upload it on the AICTE YouTube website. So it will be a very, very, excellent repository for many young people to study and online, particularly we are starting minor degrees in space technology, defense technology, quantum, semiconductors. All of them would like to hear some experts. So this is an opportunity. I think we should do that. So let me congratulate. I think this is an excellently done, very democratically. You made selections and a plan. Even the portal is ready now.
Yes.
So it's very easy for anybody to join and show their expression of interest with the proposal, and the proposal will be also reviewed on time. As you rightly said, by June 30th.
Yes, June 30th, maybe 1 week, 7th July, we will.
By first week of July, we will going to make an announcement of approval, and you will have enough time to conduct these, in your institution through online. But I appeal to the institutions that involve with AICTE officials so that your work, what you have done, will be recorded and it will be placed in a right repository, whether it is in YouTube or any other place, so that it can spread to large number of institutions. So let me congratulate once again, and I wish the program the very best. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you all for joining. So that's it. Ashish.